Which choice completes the text so that it conforms to the conventions of standard English? Thousands of years, people in the Americas blink the bottle gourd, a large bit of fruit with a thick rind, to make bottles, other types of containers, and even musical instruments. Oddly, there is no evidence that any type of bottle gourd is native to the Western Hemisphere. Either the fruit or its seeds must have somehow been carried from Asia or Africa. So in this text we can clearly see that it is in past tense, because of the phrase for thousands of years people in the Americas blink the bottle gourd. So the phrase that would best fit this blink would also use the past tense. So let's look at the option choices. A, to use. This is incorrect because this is clearly present tense, and in the sentence this would not make sense. Let's plug it in and check. For thousands of years, people in the Americas to use the bottle gourd. This clearly does not make sense, so we can eliminate answer choice A. B, have used. This seems to be the correct answer because this is clearly a past tense verb or a phrase, and in this sentence that would fit the past tense of the rest of the sentence. So let's check to make sure though. For thousands of years, people in America have used the bottle gourd. So because this makes sense in the context of the sentence and grammatically, B seems to be the correct answer. But let's check to other answers. C, having used. This is incorrect because this is more of a present tense verb with a phrase with the word having. So let's check to make sure though. Thousands of years, people in America having used the bottle gourd. This is incorrect because this does not make sense in the context of the sentence, nor does it make sense grammatically. Therefore, we can eliminate answer choice C. D, using. This is incorrect because, like A, this is a present tense phrase. So let's check to make sure though. For thousands of years, people in the Americas using the bottle gourd. This is clearly does not make sense grammatically, so we can eliminate answer choice D. And with that, we know that the correct answer is B.